G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Gray and welcome to another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. And I'm here with my good mate Purll. How are you, mate?
Hey mate, good, really good.
That's the way, mate. Well, it was only a few weeks back we came out and we visited you and we had a look at some of the smaller side of the things on IRWIN's new range of cutters. But today we've got some of the larger size of things. We've got some ratcheting poly cutters and some ratcheting tube cutters. So mate, how did you find the range when we were on the smaller side of things last week?
Mate, I was actually surprised. They're really good and solid tools. The blades are nice and sharp, so they're cutting through everything very, very easily. Yeah, the build quality is very, very good.
Excellent. Well, we're hoping more of the same on the larger end of the scale today, so
I'm sure they are.
Why don't we fire it up, and we've got a few bits and pieces we can get you to cut through, and we'll see how they go.
Mate. We do, look out. Okay, so now I'm going to use the 2.5 inch IRWIN ratcheting cutter. We're going to actually cut through some 40mm poly irrigation pipe. We'll just see how it goes. Feels nice and easy to get through this pipe. Cuts nice, clean cut. Beautiful.
Alrighty, so Purll, you've jumped onto the IRWIN ratcheting PVC cutter. This one's perfect for cutting through plastics, vinyl, rubber. It's got a really durable stainless steel blade, and the quick action ratcheting cutting allows for one-handed operation. Look at that clean cut, that's really beautiful. So next, Purll, you've got the IRWIN 2-in-1 cutter with ratchet handle. So you were saying that this one saves a pile of skin on the knuckles when working out in sort of chased areas or cut sections of walls where, you know, to get your fingers in there and really be able to maneuver the cutter. Without a ratcheting system, you're always going to take skin off. So this one looks awesome. It cuts up to 6.35 millimeters, cuts through copper, brass, aluminium, PVC and thin wall conduit. It's got a 360-degree cutting action with an easy one-handed operation, and the black oxide coated cutting wheel does a fantastic job on precision cutting, and it's really made for some solid durability. So all in all, this is a great little piece. So Purll, on the poly cutters, mate, what kind of blade is it painting?
This has got a high carbon steel blade. It's actually very, very easy to use. It doesn't matter what you can cut through. It goes through quite nicely with PVC or poly or whatever you're cutting.
On the IRWIN enclosed tube feed cutter, how did you think the blade went, and how did it hold up?
Mate, it's actually cutting through quite nicely. It's a black oxide cutting wheel.
Yep.
These can cut up to between 3 to 28 millimeters. Yeah, and yeah, there's quite a few good things about this design. It's a nice easy handle to turn.
Yep.
You also have a deburring little section here just to clean out all the bits of copper that might be
floating around in there.
Nice and easy, very surprised.
Perfect. Yeah. So what did you think, like as a bit of a generalisation compared to, I guess, the other brands that you've used before? How do you think the IRWIN range sort of held up?
Look, generally in plumbing, because it's a specialised trade, you'll see a lot of people stick to the main brands.
Yep.
IRWIN, this is probably the first tool-specific brand that I've seen that's actually very, very good and keeping up with the main sort of specialised trade.
So Purll, due to their high build quality and super sharp blades, we've got no choice but to give the IRWIN new range of cutting tools the Tradie Tough Test seal of approval. Here we go. Yeah. And for everybody at home, thanks so much for tuning in for another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. Stay safe on site, and we'll catch you really soon.
See you later.
Hey, what you doing?
What Tradies Want magazine.